you know, there's been that vibe yokuthi ngifuna ukuphuma ngiye-exile, ngifuna ukuyoba yi-soldier amongst us as a peer group, you understand? But now we'll sit and plan ukuthi, because if kuma plans wethu, one of the things besisikhuluma ukuthi esifuna ukuvaya sibaningi. I think abantu befuna ukuvaya were more than 20. But when the day come ukuthi sihambe, I'm telling you baba, bokuthetshelwa mrawo. Sokuqala ke manje i-old age lami, hey mina esikolweni, hey mina ini. But eventually the group that took a firm decision ukuthi hayi siyahamba, red or blue siyahamba. Ngaba khona basala abanye. Well, you can't say bukamagwala, I don't want to say that, but you know, kunama decisions siwathatha si-emotional masesabantwana, and uma sifika leso sikhathi reality fika, kunabatshetshela mrawo.